What's the meaning of belle époque? Belle époque. Belle époque.
Belle époque. Belle époque. Belle époque is a French term that translates to beautiful era in English. It refers to the period of time spanning from the late 19th century through the beginning of World War I, particularly in France and other European countries. This was a time of relative peace, prosperity, and cultural dynamism, marked by new technologies, artistic movements, and social change. It was characterized by a certain optimism and a fascination with progress, science, and rationality. However, this era was also marked by deep inequalities, with a small elite enjoying great wealth while many others lived in poverty and struggled to access basic rights and resources.